Your degree just became a lottery ticket, and you already lost. Half of all entry-level jobs could vanish in the next 5 years. The CEOs running the biggest AI companies are calling it a, quote, bloodbath. And if you're under 30, what I'm about to show you will change everything you thought you knew about your career. Here's the truth they're not telling you. The World Economic Forum projects 83 million jobs worldwide will be eliminated by 2027. That's 2 years away. Goldman Sachs warns that 300 million full-time jobs could be automated by AI. In America alone, 12 million entry-level office jobs could simply disappear. IBM's CEO already announced plans to replace 30% of their 26,000 back-office workers with AI over 5 years. This isn't a prediction, it's already happening.
Immediate existential question facing all of us today, AI, and whether AI has already come for our jobs in ways that we're now seeing play out in the headlines of all these tens of thousands of people that are being laid off.
So who's actually getting replaced? Customer support? 85% of first-level support tickets are now handled by AI chatbots. In 2020, it was 30%. Junior lawyers? Legal AI drafts contracts in minutes that used to take hours. One company has handled 1.5 million cases without hiring a single law school graduate. McKinsey found that generative AI could automate 60 to 70% of working time in certain office jobs.
One of the big questions is what jobs you think will be first to go and what layoffs you've seen so far because of AI.
The positions that are at most risk are going to be positions that involve a lot of repeatable actions, data entry, data analysis, anything that requires you to sort through all sorts of documents at scale. That's something that AI can do really easily.
Not assist, not make easier, automate entirely. Entry-level analysts, data processors, content moderators. Jobs that were supposed to be your foot in the door are being coded out of existence. Now here's the part that should terrify you. Internship offers from Fortune 500 companies dropped 22% between 2022 and 2024. In tech, down 34%. Think about what that means. You can't even get your foot in the door anymore. An entire generation is locked out before they begin. And if you do land an entry-level job, your salary is shrinking. Real wages for entry-level professionals fell 1.8% in 2024, while the overall economy grew 2.4%. You're competing with software that costs pennies per hour and never asks for a raise. Here's what makes this different. Every previous wave of automation supported human work. Spreadsheets made accountants more productive. Email made communication faster. But AI doesn't support you, it replaces you. A 2024 MIT study found that AI adoption caused a 19% decline in job postings for repetitive cognitive tasks, while openings for AI engineers rose only 11%. Do the math. For every new AI job created, 2 to 3 junior positions disappear forever. The labor market is polarizing. High-skill executives and AI engineers? In demand. Low-wage service jobs? Still there because they need physical presence. But that middle tier, the one you went to college for, is being hollowed out right now. The economic bomb nobody's talking about. Student loan default rates could jump from 8% to 12.5% by 2027, according to the Congressional Budget Office. We're looking at a generation that took on massive debt for degrees that promised stable careers, only to graduate into a job market where those careers don't exist. Rising unemployment among graduates means less consumer spending, higher defaults, and an economy that starts eating itself from the inside. Young people aged 22 to 27 with bachelor's degrees already have higher unemployment than the national average, and it's accelerating. But here's the twist nobody sees coming. This isn't the end, it's a filter. The people who will win in the next 5 years aren't the ones with the best grades or the most connections. They're the ones who understand this. AI isn't your enemy, it's a weapon. And right now, most of your competition doesn't know how to use it. While everyone else is panicking about AI taking their jobs, a small group is learning to leverage it to do the work of 10 people. They're becoming the product managers, the AI trainers, the prompt engineers, the automation specialists. The job market isn't dying, it's being rewritten. And the question isn't whether you'll survive, it's whether you'll adapt fast enough to dominate. So here's your choice. You can keep doing what everyone else is doing, competing for jobs that are disappearing, hoping your degree will save you, waiting for things to go back to normal. Or you can accept that the game has changed, and the winners won't be the smartest or the hardest working. They'll be the ones who saw this coming. Drop a comment. Are you adapting or hoping this blows over? Because I can tell you right now, it won't. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of what's coming next, because this is just the beginning. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.